Welcome to 2103 Quarter Horse Drive, located in Saddlebrook community here in Cedar Springs. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, 2,236 square feet. Let's go take a look inside. Inside, you're greeted by an open concept and beautiful cathedral ceilings. Plus, the living room is filled with natural light and offers an inviting space to relax or entertain. The heart of the home is in the spacious kitchen, featuring a large center island, walk-in pantry, designer cabinetry, and modern appliances, all hand-selected by one of Eastbrook's professional interior designers. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the dining area and living room, making it perfect for both living and hosting guests. Plus, you've got an awesome owner's suite with a beautiful view of the private lot in the back, with an ensuite bathroom with a dual bowl vanity, as well as a tile shower and walk-in closet. Adding to the convenience of main floor living space, the laundry room is right off of the owner's suite. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath are located at the front of the home, offering flexibility for guests, family, or a home office. It's decked with beautiful views off the back here into the woods with lots of privacy. On the finished lower level, you also have a large rec room, perfect for entertainment space for friends and family, as well as another full bedroom and a full bathroom. Thanks for watching. To learn more about this home or other available properties, be sure to visit our website at eastbrookhomes.com.